Okay guys, now we're able to create the future values. We have to create the main form as how the question was showing up here. So the main form is like this, and this is how we're going to design it. So this is for educational purpose. So this is how you're going to design it. So the main form, let's create a new project here. As for it, we are solving 3 of them each. So click on Windows form here, click on browse where you are going to save it. So let's say I want to create another folder here, so I want to call it main form. Okay, so you can choose to name it any name you want. So I have to select it. After I selected it, then I click on OK. So let me save the previous. Okay, so now we are able to get our main form here. You can make sure it's wide as how you want it to be. Okay, then let's start introducing our buttons just like how this thing is here. First of all, we need what? We need labels, 2 labels. Okay, one with the student name and the one with the form. Okay, so let's click on toolbar here. Let's search label. Okay, I think it's already here, so place it there. You need to write, so control key, then use your mouse and drag it down. Okay, so we click on this one, the first one here. We go to appearance, then search for text, which is even black there. So you write main form. Okay, main form, then you hold it like this. You do the same for this one. This one is what? Student index number. Okay, you can make it like this, and also you can even make it 2. Okay, but let's finish with the design. So you can select this one and you select this one like this, and now there's no name property. All of them are using the same property here. Okay, so you select it like this, then you go to what? The appearance, double click on this one like this, make sure it's bold, then you can make the size big like this, at least 18 or 20 is fine. So 18, then like this. Okay, and you select this one here, make it more big, but here you can just write it here, the number you want. So let's say I want 24, so that this one will be bigger than all of them. So the student index number is here. Okay, so you can duplicate this by control key, then drag it like this. So let's hold this one here, go to appearance, use the index number. So let's say this, then you write the index number. So let's say any index number that you think is okay. So now you have made it like this. Let's reduce even the size for the index number. So you can select it, and let's say 615 is okay. Okay, so now you are able to do this like this. We need to what? Make this 3 buttons here. I will make it fast. So click on toolbar, search for button, you place it here, control key 1, so 4. So the same size, you want to make the same size, you hold control, you select all of them, then you drag one of them like this.